Kobe is loved by Dodger fans and Laker fans, beloved. So when we changed this Friday night to Kobe night, it made sense to change to a drone show to honor Kobe. There's some iconic images of Kobe that fans are going to see tonight. His standing on top of the scorer's table after winning the 2010 championship. When they see that tonight, it's going to be powerful. It's going to be really powerful.
Do you recognize this man? No, he's not a very tall, slim right-hander.
Bryant pulls up, rattles that one. Just 2 for 11 before hitting that.
The 2010 Finals MVP is none other than Kobe Bryant.
He's not somebody who's trying out for the Dodgers. That's Kobe Bryant of the world champion Lakers, who threw out the first ball tonight. Gets a hug from Dave Hansen, and he got an ovation from this crowd.
Lakers repeat back-to-back titles. The LA Lakers, the 2010 NBA champions.
Let's hear it for your Los Angeles Dodgers. Thank you guys for all the years of support. Thank you guys for all the motivation. Thank you for all the inspiration. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. God, I love you guys. What can I say? Mamba out.